What's up guys, it's another video, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends. The reason for making today's video is that many people have doubt whether the Call of Duty Mobile Chinese or not. In today's video friends, I will discuss something about this so that all doubts in your mind are clear. I apologize in advance, I can't speak English very well. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. After recent dispute between India and China at the border, a lot of people have decided to boycott China products. This situation intensified when the Indian government banned TikTok and 58 other Chinese apps. For some reason, PUBG Mobile escaped the list. However, a huge number of people want the government to ban the game as well because it is also a Chinese app. Now, this brings us to Call of Duty Mobile, which is a big competitor of PUBG Mobile. Millions of gamers enjoy Call of Duty Mobile, but a lot of them are still unaware of the game's origin. Is Call of Duty Mobile a Chinese app? Questions like this are still surfacing on the internet. Well, no worries, because we are going to clear up your confusion. If you are looking for a quick answer to this question, then no, Call of Duty Mobile isn't a Chinese app. The game is published by Activision and Garena, companies based in the USA and Singapore. It's true that Call of Duty Mobile is developed by Team Studios, a subsidiary of Chinese conglomerate Tencent Holdings. However, most of revenue goes to the game's publisher, which isn't Tencent in this case. In March 2019, Activision announced that Team Studios will be leading the development of the mobile version of Call of Duty Mobile. However, it was Activision who took care of the funding for the development of the entire game. The game first had a soft launch in Canada and Australia on July 18, 2019. After the successful reviews from the soft launch, Activision finally released Call of Duty Mobile worldwide on October 1st, 2019, and the game grabbed millions of players instantly. Activision Blizzard Private Limited, an American company, owns the entire Call of Duty Mobile franchise. So Call of Duty Mobile also falls under Activision umbrella. The American tech company only hired Team Studios to lead the development of the game. In return, only a little portion of revenue share goes into the pocket of Chinese game studio. The major chunk of money still goes to the publisher, which in this case is Activision. Today's video ends here. See you in the next video. How do you like the video? Let me know by commenting. Goodbye.